G'day viewers, welcome to another edition of Concoctions in the Kitchen. This is all built around these two bottles I got. This is an Australian spirit, it's an unaged cane spirit. So it's rum moonshine. It would be rum if you aged it. It isn't aged, and you might see that 153 on it. It's 153 proof, 76.5% alcohol. So this advertised to me on Facebook because of course I get booze advertised to me on Facebook, and I thought, gotta be able to do something with that. A high proof spirit, that sounds like fun. So I actually got two bottles. Now, I am shooting this intro after the fact that I've done everything because someone forgot to shoot an intro video way back when they were starting this process, which was actually a couple months ago. Now, I'm not pointing fingers at whose fault that is. We're all trying to find the guy responsible for this, okay? But let's just move on. And I did buy the two bottles. Now, I made a choice. One of them I was going to barrel age and see what that did to it and not do anything else, just barrel age it for a couple months. The other one I split in half and I decided I was going to make two liqueurs with that. And two flavors I like with white rum. There's coconut and banana. I also thought of pineapple, but I decided on coconut and banana. So step one was to make some syrups. This is a pretty straightforward process. For the coconut one, I got some coconut meat and weighed it and then covered it in twice its weight in sugar. And for banana, there's a couple ways you could have gone. I went with banana peel, going for zero waste. You could use the actual banana. I ate the banana and I used the peel because there's both a lot of moisture in the peel and a lot of flavor. Same deal, with the banana peel, I weighed it and I covered it in twice its weight in sugar. In both these cases, you leave that for a day or so and the sugar absorbs the liquid from the fruit elements or the peel in the case of the banana, and it turns into a syrup. You might need to warm this on the stove or add maybe a little bit of hot water to get the sugar to completely dissolve. But after certainly about 2 days, it was pretty much completely liquid for me. Because this is really strong, I decided to add a fair amount of the syrup to the liquor, and I used about 200 mils of the syrup in each case because I thought that's still going to bring it in at 40 to 50% alcohol by volume, which is pretty strong for a liqueur. So I put the syrup, including the fruit, the banana peel in the case of the banana, and set that aside for about a week and then tasted it. I thought it needed a bit more flavor, so all up, that steeped for 2 weeks. That's how I made the liqueurs, and then all I did was wait the additional time for the barrel aging process for the other one. After almost 2 months in the barrel, my white cane spirit has gone from this to this. You see it's got a nice amber color now. It's time for a taste test. I saved a little bit so I could taste it raw and then barrel aged. Let's see a little refresher on what this is like. Okay. Oof. That is like rocket fuel. Holy cow, that is warm going down. That is very warm going down. After a quick drink of water to sort of wash that taste out of my mouth, cleanse my palate, now taste this one. Now, I was going to be really classy, put them in shot glasses, and I thought, who am I trying to impress? Let's just have a little sip. No surprise that bird is back there. Whoa. But, okay, oh my God, this tastes great. It's got the oakiness and it's tamped down some of the sharpness of this, so its actual flavors come out, but whoa, it is fierce. So now I have to decide, do I want to water this down a bit, bring it down to about 60% alcohol? I think that's probably a good idea. It is currently 76.5% alcohol. I think if I dilute it a little to bring it down to 60%, it'll be a bit more versatile. So obviously it's going to be my overproof rum for kicking cocktails up a bit. I will dilute this a little, and then I think, given I have the coconut liqueur, the banana liqueur, and the barrel-aged straight spirit ready, I might make a daiquiri with each of them and taste them side by side. I did not get around to making drinks on the same day, so you get another shirt. I'm making mini daiquiris. I'm not going to have 3 full-size daiquiris to compare these. But this is the coconut one first. And with the liqueurs, because there's so much sugar in them, I'm not adding the sugar you would normally add to a daiquiri. So this is just the liqueur and lime juice. That's really good. Yep, I like that one. This is the banana one. It's not bad. I don't like that as much as the coconut. Certainly not bad though it might be better suited to another style of drink. Finally, Big Daddy. This is the undiluted but barrel-aged spirit. Let's give it a go. I did add sugar to this because there's no need. Man, this is good. I am really surprised how much I like this. I thought this would be too much. You can feel the, it's not actually burning, but you can feel the warmth of the alcohol. Like this tastes more serious. Hell, this makes a good daiquiri. Oh well, I've got a lot of experimenting ahead of me on what drinks I like these in most. But yeah, if life gives you really overproof spirits, maybe make some liqueurs with it. Hope to see you again soon. I'm going to slowly finish this. I think I drank the first two too fast. This one's pretty beastly, but I hope to see you again soon. Until then, cheers.